In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu inside VirtualBox. So first of all, you need to download Ubuntu, or I should say ISO file. So what you have to do, search for Ubuntu, and most likely ubuntu.com would be the first website. So click over it, then go to download and click over 20.04 LTS. What is it? It is the latest version for Ubuntu. As soon as you would click, ISO file would get downloaded just like this. It is 2.7 GB file, so it would take time. And one more thing I would like to mention is that you need to have VirtualBox installed in your system, just like this. Okay, just like this. If you don't know how to install VirtualBox, I have made a video over on it. You can visit my channel, or I would mention the link in the description. It is 2-minute video on fully described how in a step by step wise how to install VirtualBox on Windows 10. It may be a 64 or 32-byte system. Okay, so let our file as a file get downloaded. Then I would show you how to install Ubuntu inside VirtualBox. Once you are done with downloading the Ubuntu ISO file, what you have to do is just relocate for safer side. Relocate where you have downloaded, where the file is downloaded. Like I have kept it here, so that later it can be easily be located. So the next thing what you have to do is open VirtualBox, then go to open VirtualBox, go to new and type here Ubuntu, Ubuntu, and mention the version even 20.04, and this thing should automatically be set up. It doesn't matter your system is 64 or 32-bit. You can keep it as 64-bit and then click next. And to make these changes, take it till green mark for safer side, then click next. Then here even don't change anything. Create a virtual hard disk now. Then click next, and you have to keep it as it is VDI virtual disk image, and then click next and make it as dynamically allocated. If you want to know what is dynamically allocated, you can read out this, but keep it as dynamically allocated. Then click next. Now here, this is the location where um, your uh, files inside uh, the important files would get downloaded. If you want to change, you can change, but I would like to keep it as it is. Then this is um, default memory allocated to this over Ubuntu. So I would like to, okay, 10 is enough. I would like to keep it as 10 only. Okay, and then I will create it. And once you are done with it, don't click on start. Just go to settings. You need to modify some things here. Okay, these are the things you choose earlier. Then advanced. In advanced, what you do is do it as bidirectional. What it does is, this is Windows, and what you download is Ubuntu inside VirtualBox. So you can copy things from a viewer system to the Ubuntu, or Ubuntu to your system. Okay, then you don't need to change anything here or here. Then um, okay, then go again settings, go to system. In system, you don't need to change. Okay, here one CPU is default. Keep it till this green mark for safer side. um, okay, then go to display. You don't need to change anything here. Then go to storage. Yeah, main thing is here. In storage, click on empty. Then click on empty. Then here choose a disk file. Click on choose a disk file. Now you need to find where you have downloaded the Ubuntu ISO file. Ubuntu ISO. So you need to search in your system where you have. So earlier I said as I kept it here Ubuntu ISO file. This is ISO file. Okay, this is the ISO file. Just click over it and then say okay. Yes, you are now done with installation. Um, or, setting up for installation. You have to click start, and your installation process would begin. Okay, let us wait, and please select a virtual tickle disk for and this is right. This is then click start, and your files would get installed in this the required files. Okay, just wait. Don't do anything now. Now the things would happen automatically. You just your work is done almost. You need to select just your region and name, username, and all such things. Just wait. I will show you. Mm, be quick, man. Okay. Yeah, almost. Yeah, you need to select English, right? Say install Ubuntu, and this is the keyboard layout. You need to choose your keyboard type. For different countries, it is different. And once you are, my default is English US, and that is right. For checking if it is correct, you can type out some words. Yeah, it is correct. So now you can is now you can progress further. Okay, then once you have done with the choosing the correct keyboard layout, you can continue. Then keep it as it is, normal installation and download updates. If you want, you can tick out this, but uh, I would like to say don't. But okay, then continue. Um, One thing you have to mention is that you need to have a lot of storage area in your system. Otherwise, mostly what happens it your system hangs a lot after installation. Okay, so you need to know this point. Okay, then here it is written erase disk and install Ubuntu. This will delete all your programs, documents, photos. But you are mentioned that you are downloading it in VirtualBox, so nothing would happen to your important documents and all such things, because what you are downloading is in VirtualBox and not in your system. Okay, so choose this and don't worry and say install now. Yeah, again say continue. Okay, we would wait okay, then choose your location. It is somewhere here. I live in India. So continue and choose the name. It is actually a username which you find um, when you would um, enter or start the Ubuntu. Okay, you don't need this virtual box too. You can keep it as high star, and I would keep one password for this. Further, you can change even keep something which is very strong password. Okay, okay. Oh, password doesn't match. Let me see. Okay, then require my password to log in. Okay, then say it. Continue. Welcome to Ubuntu. Yeah, you are almost done. Mm. Just comment down if any problem occurs, if any step you don't understand. Okay, let it get down. Okay, almost finished copying files. Yeah, waiting, man. Be quick. It would take little time for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, can't we skip this thing? Yeah, we can. Just let it down. Mm. Once you are done with the installation, you will find this tab would come like to restart your system. It's just restarting your Ubuntu, not your whole system. Okay, just click over it, restart now. Okay, and please remove the installation medium. Yeah, just press enter here, and the process would begin. Yeah, we are we would get to enter the password. Right? Our OS is starting. Like just your system Windows would come like this. Your Ubuntu page would come. Yeah, just like this. Click on it. This is the username which you stuck, right? I stuck. Then enter the password. Then press enter. So yes, you are done with the installation. Just click on skip. Next, 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 and say done. Okay. Then once you are done, you can cross, and you are done with the installation. Yeah, you can use it now. Like say terminal and enter. Yeah, link to working directory. Yes, you are done with the installation. Now you can use it. Hmm. So thank you for watching the video. Like and share if you like the video. Okay, please comment down if any error occurs or if you find any difficulty. Thank you.